Hello friends, myself Dr. Manish Chaturvedi, Chairman, Training and Placement, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. There is a great news for you. Government of Rajasthan in Department of IT along with iStart is having a unique combination of event by the name of iStart Ideathon. The iStart Ideathon is going to be organized on 12th August. There are a lot of prizes for you. Prizes are more than 8,40,000 of prizes are awaiting for you. There are many categories in which you can apply for your registry. Like there are some social category, technical category, mobile, awareness, environment. Lot of categories you can search for. Also, the last date for applying is 8th August. So register now, hurry up, don't miss this chance. This is a golden opportunity for you. Best of luck.